Today, we're learning how to add the slide transition to your video for a clean scene change. Let's get right into it. First, open your video project in Canva and make sure you have at least two clips lined up on the timeline. Now, hover between the two clips and click on the transition icon that appears. From the transition options, select Slide. You'll see a set of arrows. Each arrow represents the direction your next clip will slide in. You can slide from left, right, top, or bottom. Just click the one that fits your scene best. Next, adjust the duration slider to control the speed. A shorter duration gives you a quick slide, while a longer one makes it feel smooth and cinematic. Once you're happy with the direction and speed, go ahead and click the check mark to apply the transition, and that's it. You've successfully added a slide transition to your Canva video. Great for giving your edits a more dynamic and professional touch. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tutorials.